The secret revealed. Quite a long time ago, the author, Rhonda Byrne, was feeling troubled and exhausted. After much thought, she concluded that there must essentially be a superior way to live. Byrne found that there was a mystery law that administers the activities of the universe. The law of attraction expresses that what you put out into the universe is the thing that you will get consequently. What you invest your energy thinking about and feeling is the thing that you will be getting. This secret, the law of attraction, is influencing your life at present, regardless of whether you know it or not. It has been passed down through the years, highly coveted, hidden, lost, stolen, and bought for vast sums of money. And now is the time to uncover the secret. The secret made simple. The law of attraction is always working for you. If you think you have no influence over your fate, at that point you will draw in circumstances that render you powerless. The only reason why people do not have what they want is that they are thinking more about what they don't want than what they do want. Byrne points out that most people don't even realize they are thinking negatively. The problem is that the universe doesn't understand the word no. If you say to yourself, "I don't want to be late," the message you're sending to the universe is, "I'll be late," since don'ts aren't recognized. The law of attraction doesn't work according to don'ts. It follows laws similar to those of quantum physics. Every single thought we have emits frequencies, and the energy it creates attracts events of similar frequencies. Hence, you need to start thinking about what you want, not what you don't want. How to use the secret. Step 1. Ask. You have to clearly define what it is that you want. The best way to make your wish to the universe is through an oral or a written prayer of gratitude using the present tense. A good way is to set some particular measure of your desire you wish to accomplish. Ask yourself, what do I want in my life? Remember, there are no limits here. Step 2. Believe. Believe that it is already yours. Have complete faith in it. You have to accept that the universe will give you that which you request. Believing is the most difficult step, but you can achieve it using the procedure of visualization. Visualize your desires getting fulfilled. Step 3. Receive. The last step is receiving. Receiving includes going about as though you have what you've requested. This assists with strengthening the belief that you will get what you desire. Feel that you already have it. Be happy about it. When you do so, you are aligning yourself with the frequency of what you want. Try to maintain a good amount of positive feelings by visualizing the things you want and make yourself happy. The secret to money. To attract money, focus on wealth. It is impossible to bring more money into your life when you focus on the lack of it. When you think that you don't have enough money, you create circumstances that result in you being at the loss of it. Imagine that you already have the money you want and feel happy about it. Tell yourself that you can purchase and afford the things you want regardless of whether it appears to be unimaginable right now. To strengthen the idea, you should write a blank check to yourself and keep it in your wallet. You would then be able to make the check for any sum you want. Another approach to pull in more money is to give away some of it. When you do so, you feed yourself with the thoughts that you have an abundance of money. The only reason anyone does not have enough money is that they are blocking money from coming to them with their thoughts. The secret to relationships. When you want to attract a relationship, make sure your thoughts, words, actions, and surroundings don't contradict your desires. Treat yourself with love and respect, and you will attract people who show you love and respect. When you feel bad about yourself, you are sending the frequencies that attract more people and situations that make you feel bad. Remember to praise and bless the things around you, because when you do so, you are at the highest frequency of love. This absorbs all the negativity and disagreement, and the universe will return to you with all the love of blessing and praise you desire. The secret to health. You must have heard that laughter is the best medicine. It is said because laughter attracts joy, releases negativity, and leads to miraculous cures. The disease is held in the body by thought, by observation of the illness, and by the attention given to the illness. Abstain from concentrating on illness if the goal is to make it go away unless you want more of it. Talking or thinking about the illness attracts more of it. Instead, change the topic to improve the way you feel. Diseases cannot live in a body that is in a healthy emotional state. The placebo effect is an example of the law of attraction in action. It is about believing a treatment will work. It's about creating a stronger connection between the brain and body and how they work together. You tell the patient that this is just as effective, and what happens is the placebo sometimes has the same effect, if not greater effect, than the medication that is supposed to be designed for that effect. It has been found that the human mind plays a very powerful role in the healing process. The secret to the world. What you resist persists. When you are resisting, you are giving more thought about it. You are pouring more energy into it, and as a result, you attract more of it. You cannot help the world if you are focused on negative things. As you focus on the world's negative events like poverty or war, you not only add to them, but you also bring more negative things into your own life. Mother Teresa said, "I will never go to a rally against war. If you make a rally for peace, you can invite me." Give your attention and energy to love, trust, abundance, and peace. You will never run out of good things. Life is abundant. So focus on what you wish to experience rather than what you don't want. The secret to you. We are made up of energy, and energy can never be created nor destroyed. It only changes form. The true essence has always been and always will be. You cannot be. There is an abundant supply of ideas available to you. All these ideas, knowledge, discoveries, and inventions are in the universal mind as possibilities, waiting for someone to draw them forth. You hold everything in your consciousness, so always be aware of your thoughts. You are the only one who can create the life you deserve. When you deliberately focus on what you want and begin to radiate good feelings, the law of attraction will respond. The law of attraction is the creative force behind every manifestation.